Bingo, tomorrow garbage truck comes.
Oh, I love to see garbage truck.
Bingo, did you hear the noise?
Yes, what is it?
Maybe it's a ghost.
Maybe we can check.
No, I am scared. I am going to sleep.
Maybe we can check tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, who threw the banana? Ah, kids. Buddy, did you hear that? Again, this crazy garbage truck passed in front of our house. Oh yes, I saw. I think he hit all the dumpsters in Judo house. What a crazy man.
La 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 la. What is this mess? They don't know how to put trash in the trash can. Okay, let me clean this mess. And this one. And this one. And I am going to the garbage truck. Okay, let's go.
Bluey, let's go downstairs. Garbage truck coming.
Okay.
Okay, here it comes.
Wait.
Wow, look. The trash can is empty.
Okay. Next.
We have another one. Okay, it's coming. Oh, you didn't have a lot of trash today, guys. But I have to tell you, you have to label your trash cans, which one is for the recycle. So I have a little homework for you guys to do. Next time I'm gonna come, I need to see the trash can to be labeled, okay? With recycle and trash. Alright?
Okay.
Please don't mix everything together.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to my next stop.
Hi, friends.
Hi, Bluey and Bingo.
Hey, guys, you gonna believe it? We have a ghost in house.
What? Oh, wow, that's interesting. What did you guys hear?
We heard some noises at night.
Oh, that's scary. Maybe you have a monster in the house. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Scary. Muffin, stop. Don't scare them. Maybe something just fell in the house or something. Bluey and Bingo, I'm sorry to interrupt, but we have to go. I need to make some quick grocery shopping because tomorrow we have Auntie and Grandma's coming. So maybe you can see your friends later, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Yes, I did. Let's go upstairs and check.
Okay.
Look, Bluey, it's kangaroo.
Bingo. Let's say boo. And maybe he's gonna go away.
Boo!
Yes, we got this little monster.
Yay. Let's go sleep now.
Yes.
High five, Bingo. Friends, if you like our garbage truck video, please subscribe to our channel so we can create more videos for you guys. We hope we're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.